Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a very useful guide on how to make your Windows run faster. Okay, let's start. First is you need to press your Windows and R together to open Run. Again, Windows and R key together. Then here you need to type for clean mgr, then hit OK. And once it will run a new window here, it will just calculate how much MB size or disk space that you could free up in your computer. So here you just have to mark this, all of this checked, and then click on OK. So in my case, if I'll delete this, my device will free up to 3.56 gigabyte of disk space. So hit on OK and then delete files. And then your disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files. Just skip on the files that is open, unnecessary files on your machine. So basically, these are the files that is created by your system and it will not completely delete your data. I mean, it will not delete your data because this is just registries or junk files that is created by your system. Okay, so the next one is we need to go back to window again, press Windows and R key together, and then here you need to type for temp, then hit OK, and it will open a new window here where it contains all of the junk files that your system or your computer created. Just click anywhere of the file and then Control A to select all and Control Shift to delete. Click Shift to delete or just click the trash bin icon here. And my folder is now empty. So let's be close this and let's proceed to the third step, which is to go back to run again. And then instead of temp, let's add percentage. Okay. And then okay. So here, these are files, registries that is created once you do a task in your computer. So this will just put a heavy load in your computer. So let's delete this. Just click anywhere of the file, Control A, and then click this. Or you can do Shift to delete. So those folder who is still in open, just denied it or skipped it, and this will help your computer free up space and become less laggy. And then let's close this. Okay, so the next one is again, let's go back to run and then type for inetcpl.cpl, then hit OK. And it will run a new window here which contains your internet properties. So let's say that you face a slow browsing issues, then this internet properties will help you. Just click on settings, LAN settings, and then make sure that this proxy server is not on because this will slow down the internet of your computer. Okay, so just make sure that this is mark checked, automatically detects settings, and then click on OK, and then close this. Okay. So the next one is let's go back to run again. Type prefetch, and then click OK, And once you're here, you will be redirected this prefetch window and you can see a bunch of file here. So again, this is files created by your system and not by you. So definitely this will not delete any data that you have just created. Okay, so you don't have to worry anything about. Just click any of those files, Control A, and then delete again. And this will delete all of your junk files. Okay, and just skip those file in use. Okay, then close this and let's proceed to the second step, which is to go for startup. How? Just locate your cursor here in the Windows icon, then do a right click and go to Task Manager. So for example, when you open your computer and it will take few minutes, take time to open it, then there is a problem with your startup apps. Here you need to identify those unwanted applications that you no longer needed. Don't put a heavy load in your computer. So here, just identify those third party application that you have accidentally installed and make its status disabled. So here, as you can see in my case, I have applications that I have disabled and enabled, and make sure that this security health tray will remain enabled because this will protect your computer from any viruses or infections. So aside from that, just identify those applications that you no longer needed. Okay, after that, just simply close this and let's go to the third application. I mean, I will recommend you cleaners that will help your computer protect it and secure it and make it extraordinary, easier to use, and make it to be its best performance. Okay, first is this advanced system care 18 free. So this will speed up computer, clean your PC, and protect your private data, and it will just makes everything easier and extraordinary. So one more good thing about this is it's free. So once you download it, just click that and then run and install. And once you install it, just clean up your computer. And once done, just restart your computer and go to app or add or remove rather, add or remove. Let's wait. Here, add or remove programs and then click on open that and uninstall this advanced system carefree. Okay, so the next cleaner that I'll recommend you is this Malwarebytes. So good thing about this Malwarebytes is it's a malware removal and a protection software that you could conveniently used in your computer, and a lot of people, worldwide, people have used it worldwide and it's free to download. Just click here and then start installing it and then remove all those junk files in your computer. Okay? So after that, just simply search for add or remove programs and then delete this Malwarebytes after you restart your computer. Okay? So the next one and the last one is this anti-spyware to protect your PC application. So this is a spyware removal that will protect your computer from any viruses or infections. So it has this Boost Microsoft Defender, easy, robust, affordable. Why? Because you can download it for free. Okay? So after you download this, just go for cleaning and then clean all those unnecessary files in your computer, those bugs that your system created, and then restart your computer. So once you restart your computer, just search for add or remove programs here again and then delete this. Okay? So those are the steps, the applications that you just need to do in your computer to make it run faster and less laggy at all. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos, and might as well share this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.